In an effort to stay current with the forces that will shape the future of research, the British Library is staging an exhibition called Growing Knowledge, complete with visions of how future knowledge seekers will interact with digital data. The remodeler is a prototype for a new kind of 360-degree autostereoscopic screen. Sony's Naoya Oguchi says the inspiration comes from the world of 70s sci-fi.
Princess Leia in Star Wars. This is a very famous movie.
This comes from Star Wars. This was inspired by Star Wars.
Star Wars is science fiction.
Oguchi says he sees potential applications in the field of medical research.
This is like Minority Report.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Curator Matthew Shaw says the exhibition is ultimately meant to address the question of what the library's role should be in the digital age.
Libraries have always stored information, kept it safe, and then provided access, given catalogues and so forth. That's okay when we've got maybe 10 million books, but if you've got 10 petabytes of information, that's a real problem. How do you store that? How do you provide access?
Alex Krotowski is an American academic and journalist who's serving as the researcher in residence and says this exhibition is meant to ignite a wider discussion.
We are saying things like, well, what role does the research library and the public library have for the future of research? What will it do? Will it primarily be a dead tree repository? Or will it be a place where you can actually know that you'll come and you'll find all of the information that you need, whether it's digitized or not? Or will it simply disappear into the virtual ether? I don't think the last thing is true. I think that it will evolve.
And to that end, the library has just opened up access to a new archive of broadcast news in Britain, which was started 6 months ago. And though Twitter messages do not yet officially fall within its remit, the British Library is displaying a series of tweet meters for 9 major cities around the globe. With no indication of what the lines on the gauges actually relate to, it's more art installation than practical tool. But then, the future of research is still a work in progress. Matt Cowan, Reuters.